Hey, hi everybody from YouTube, welcome to a new video, and in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can reset your JBL Flip 4 in case you're having trouble, so check it out. So the process is very simple. All you have to do is to make sure that your JBL Flip 4 is turned on, obviously. Then you have to press the volume up button and the play and pause at the same time. So the JBL Flip 4 will turn off. Now it's off. You need to press the power on and power off button again. And as you can see, the JBL Flip 4 now, the light is flashing. So it's looking for a new device to pair it again, as it is a brand new speaker out of the box. So if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and comment. So check her out, and until the next one.